Our Leyndo 18 pieces of sports balls just showed up. Thought I'd do a little unboxing on camera so you can see what everything looks like. Couple bags right here. Looks like we got football, soccer ball, volleyballs. And then in this bag, we got basketballs. And then we got 3 different pumps right here. 3 different baseballs. There's a look at the baseball, nice condition. What else do we got in here? There's the 3rd baseball. Looks like we got these footballs right here. And then it looks like we have 3 different storage bags. And then you got a bunch of needle pumps. I'll open up one of these storage bags so we can see what those look like. There's a look at the storage bag. That's going to be super handy. And it has a drawstring right here on top and a shoulder strap on the back. Look at one of these balls here. They all come wrapped up really nice. So they come in real good condition. No scratches, blemishes, or anything like that. Everything brand new. Decided to get these blown up.